It is important to maintain roster for working doctors and staffs. For doctors, the roster is a medico-legal document. Go to the Reports page to manage both the doctor's calendar and staff's calendar. Both doctor's calendar and staff's calendar work almost the same way. Let's go to doctor's calendar. The calendar can be filtered by doctor here. To move to the previous month, click the left arrow, and to move to the next month, click the right arrow. The current day will be marked in green. Public holidays will be marked in red. The same list of the public holidays is used for doctors/staff's calendar, appointments page, and for calculation of overtimes, odds. The list of public holidays are managed under Rates and Holidays in the admin page, under Payroll. Click Rates and Holidays. These are the public holidays saved for the year, as recognized by the management. Public holidays can be added here. Back to the doctor's calendar. To add a shift, click on the date. Select the doctor from this list. Specify the work start and end times. And click Save. To edit or to delete, click on this box again. Make the required changes and click Save. To delete, click Del. If the same shift is on other dates, simply drag and drop this shift to the other date. To add the doctor's off day or leave, tick No. Select the type of leave or off day. And click Save. Leaves or off days will be shown as semi-transparent boxes. To add a doctor that is not in the doctor's list, select empty space under Doctor. When the empty space is selected under Doctor, the doctor's name and IC can be manually entered. For doctors that are not in the doctor's list, usually locums, it is good practice to check for blacklisted locums. Enter the doctor's IC number and click Check. OK indicates that this doctor is not in the blacklist. Band indicates that this doctor has been blacklisted. Exercise caution in hiring blacklisted doctors. Refer locums monitor on locums rating and blacklist. Specify the shift start and end times. And click Save. Locums that have been checked for blacklist status will be indicated with this gray mark. Clicking this week number will only show roster for that week. Click on the week number again to show the entire month. When a doctor is selected, the total working hours and leaves for the week will be summarized here. This is the total work hours for the week. In this example is 8 hours. L is for leave days, taken as 8 hours per leave day, and PH is public holiday, taken as 8 hours per public holiday. D shows the total of working hours, leave days hours and public holidays hours combined. Notes can be added for every week in these boxes. These notes will only be available when a doctor is selected. In the staff's calendar, overtime, OT, will be indicated with this red circle. The exclamation mark indicates that this OT is not approved yet. Hovering the mouse on this circle will show the details of this OT. In the staff's calendar, if the staff is working on public holidays, rest days or off days, it may be considered as OT. To qualify for off-day OT rates, do not enter the shift as it will not be considered for off-day OT, unless it is saved as off-day. OT applied on off days or public holidays will be automatically shown this roster with the OT mark, the red circle. To enter shift of admin staff, tick Admin. Specify the shift start and end times and click Save. Admin staff's shifts are not shown by default. To show admin staff's shifts, select Admin in the staff's list here. Admin staff's shifts are only shown when admin is selected under the staff's list dropdown. For doctors and staffs that have punched in/out, the punch in/out times will be displayed in the shift here. The shifts in both the staff's calendar and doctor's calendar will be reflected in the attendance and incentives modules. Go to the admin page. Click Payroll. Specify the period to list the attendance from. Click Attendances. Select the doctor or staff and click View. The gray area indicates the shift for the day. This indicates the time punch-in. This indicates the time punch-out. Refer attendance for more details. The doctor's and staff's incentives also depend on the shifts from the doctor's calendar and staff's calendar. Go to the Reports page. Scroll down and click Staff's Incentives, or Doctor's Incentives. Select the staff, month and year and click Payments Processing. Each of this table is derived from the entry in the doctor's calendar or staff's calendar. So if the shift is not entered in the doctor's calendar or staff's calendar, no incentives will be calculated. That's it. You're done.